But somebody here today needs salvation. Need the Lord. We can point you to him. We can pray for you. But the real question is, what is your desire? If you confess with your mouth and believe in your heart that Jesus Christ has rose up from the grave, and thou shalt be saved. Or salvation. What do you mean by being saved? Saved from sin. Saved from dying of hell. Saved from losing your soul. Yeah. Saved means being blessed by God. Saved means God is going to put some angels around you to help you when you can't help yourself. Saved means I'm going to hold you when you can't hold yourself. Saved means, I promise you, whatever God said, whoever's in my hand, can't nobody pluck them out. Saved means you are in the arms and in the promises of God and in God himself only. So if sickness comes, that's okay. If death comes, that's okay. If hard times come, that's okay. Why? How do you have that kind of attitude? Because I know somebody. What if you're happy with you? Do you know him? Do you know him for yourself? Do you know him? Do you know him for yourself? Because when you know him, it's on the inside of you. Come highways, hell, water, whatever you want to call that. I'm holding on to God. I want to shout at you. Hold on to God. Unchanging. There may be somebody here today. You may come by letter. You may come by Christian experience. You may come by that kingdom baptism. But the most important thing, come to give your life to Jesus Christ. Entrust your hands in the church, but give your life to Christ. Give your life to him. Let him be the leader of your life, the king of your life, the Lord of your life.